Shalom, this is Aitari recording March 2023, the sunrise for today. And right now, there's only an orange light and there's no indication of a sun. I am trying to track the sunrise, and there are signs of a sunrise. And there's three signs that I've noted. The visible sun. So the first sign I'm looking for is a visible sun, and I am starting to see a dot appear on the horizon. It's actually above the horizon. So currently it's 7:50 a.m. and the dot is appearing. Okay. Online it said that Louisville would get a sunrise around 7:46 a.m. and it didn't happen, but I noted that it happened earlier. So right now, very clear. Right this second, there is a sun, and it's clear, and it's a dot, and I can see it. And I am going to zoom closer. So it's 7:51 right now in Louisville, Kentucky, and the sun has risen, and it's very clear. And when I zoom in, you can see that there are beams of light, and shadows begin to form very lightly on the cars, and on the ground. It's very light. So if I had a sundial right now, it would start to appear a very faint light. And so I traveled a few distance away from my house, where I can get a better view of the sunrise, because where I live, it's low and the sun shows up a little later. So right here, it's on a busy street and the sun can be seen very well over here. And so the sun begins to get brighter the closer it comes. But the closer it comes, the less clear the sun is. And so it's less defined, and it will be harder to see from this point. I see that the sun rose around 7:51, and right at 7:51, it was very clear. And then the beams started to come out. And as you notice, the beams are getting stronger, and the shadows on the ground starts to appear more defined. So what I'm looking for is clear signs of the sunrise. And the fact that I couldn't see the sun before 7:51 is a sign that it didn't rise until 7:51. Right now it's 7:52, and the sun is just getting brighter, the beams are getting brighter, and the shadows are getting stronger. So the sun has already risen. And it's shining through the trees. Louisville is very close to sea level. And so I'm in Louisville, and it's very close to sea level. So, you know, you can accurately get the sunrise here. And so today is supposed to be the equinox. That's what they're reporting. Now, you might be wondering why I'm posting videos of sunrises and sunset, and I think I'm going to start doing this more often because it's needed. Right now, I am trying to witness the sunrise for you guys to be able to know what it was like today, because it's important. They're saying today is a day that equals to the night. And according to Enoch said that on the last day of the year, it would be 9 parts day to 9 parts night. That means the day will be equal to the night. So we need to confirm with our eyes. Now, I'm in Louisville, Kentucky. I'm one person. It would be nice to have someone else confirming. Yesterday, in the morning, I don't want to say morning, at sunrise, I was trying to see the sunrise, but it was cloudy and it was a failed attempt to see the sunrise. I couldn't record it. However, yesterday I did record the sunset. And so we have to see for ourselves. The reason why I'm going to detail on what a sunrise is officially is because online it reported in Louisville that the sunrise was 7:46 a.m. and it didn't happen. I didn't see it until 7:51. So that's a large difference. And if we're trying to track a 12-hour day, that's going to make a difference. And so that's one witness. But however, what is it like in your location? We need to find out the day that is equal to the night, because the next day is supposed to be the first day of the year. And this is according to Enoch's calendar. And I wrote the book, Cycle of the Sun, and it's released. But I am confirming that today is indeed the day that is equal to the night. This is what is being reported, but we need to see for our eyes. We do need more than one witness. I am one witness. I'm not so sure it's today, but I'm not so sure it's not today, because I am just one witness. So this is why we need to look at the sun when it rises and when it sets, because it happens specifically in the north area, because the south has different seasons. but supposedly it's supposed to happen in the south and in the north during the equinox. We need to confirm that. So this is my report on the sunrise for March 20th, 2023, Louisville, Kentucky. My name is Aitari. Shalom.